So welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this lab. Simply click on Start Lab, and if you're new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now, when the lab starts, many people are asking about the solution. Just check the playlist. Now, just right click, open an incognito window, and if any existing window is open, just simply close it. Now, just open it in incognito window, and here let me just show you. If you are getting any error also, I'll show you how you can just get it fixed. Now, click on I understand. Now the first thing you have to click on this to activate the cloud shell. Okay, just follow as I'm doing so that you are able to get full score or the lab is getting marked as done. Now click on continue and you may be asked to just authorize yourself. So just authorize also and just wait for the lab to get ready. And many of you are asking, can we perform the lab with mobile phone? So yes, you can perform. There is not a single issue. So just come over here in the description box. I've shared this GitHub repository. You have to just click on it and just click the third command and just paste over here like this. Now here we have to export the region. How will find the region? Come to the lab, Control F, type region, and you can see this is our first region from task number 1. So just copy it carefully, paste it like this, hit enter. Now just come over here, copy the second region from here, paste it, hit enter. Now wait for these command to get executed, and once it's done, we'll be done with the lab. And if you face any issue, do not worry, I'll help you to complete the lab. So once you see the Cloud Shell output like this, that means you are done with the lab. And if you get any kind of error, just restart the lab. Now we'll be checking the score. If you want to enable this yellow check my progress bar, check the video description. One more important thing that many people are asking, that we are not getting the score on the last task. Okay. So even though if you are not getting the score, okay, not getting the score for this particular task, then also you'll be getting the badge done as tick. Means the lab will be done automatically if you miss this task also. Because if you just see over here, because due to technical difficulties, they have not updated the, means the error is from Google end. And if you just see, if you just refresh it over here, you can clearly see just by having 75% this lab has been marked as done. That means if you just come back and just check the lab over here, you will see that this lab is done. So that's how we completed the lab. If you have any doubts, any queries, you can let me in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.